Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel where we talk about health, healing, natural wellness and recipes. Today we are diving deep into one of nature's most powerful plants, aloe vera. This green spiky miracle has been used for thousands of years, and yet most of us only think about it when we get a sunburn. But aloe vera is so much more than a soothing gel. It's a powerhouse for your skin, digestion, hair, and overall health. So sit back, relax, and let's explore 10 incredible benefits of aloe vera and why you might want to make it part of your daily routine. Let's start with what aloe vera is most famous for, your skin. Aloe is packed with vitamins, that is A, C, and E, all powerful antioxidants that help repair and renew your skin cells. If you apply it directly, it hydrates deeply, soothes irritation, and reduces inflammation. It's especially helpful for acne, eczema, and even small burns or wounds. Aloe also promotes collagen production, meaning over time it helps your skin stay youthful and firm. So instead of rushing for chemical creams, try using fresh aloe gel straight from the leaf as your natural moisturizer or facial mask. Aloe vera contains enzymes that help remove dead skin cells and unclog hair follicles. That means less dandruff, less itchiness, and better growth. It's also full of minerals like zinc and copper that strengthen hair from the roots. Mix aloe gel with a few drops of coconut or castor oil. Apply to your scalp. Rinse after 30 minutes. Your hair will thank you. Let's move inside to your stomach and digestion. Drinking aloe vera juice in small amounts can help soothe the stomach lining, reduce acidity, and support people struggling with ulcers and acid reflux. It also promotes good bacteria in your gut and acts as a natural mild laxative, helping relieve constipation. But a small note, always use food-grade aloe vera juice. And don't overdo it. A few tablespoons a day is enough. Aloe vera doesn't just heal the outside. It strengthens you from within. It's rich in natural compounds that boost the immune system, helping your body fight off infections and inflammation. If you often feel tired, run down, or catch colds easily, adding aloe to your wellness routine can give your immune system a gentle lift. Another amazing benefit is its detoxifying effect. Aloe vera helps the liver and kidneys flush out toxins more efficiently. Because it's hydrating and full of minerals, it supports the body's natural cleansing process. Some people also find that it aids in weight management since aloe juice can help regulate blood sugar and improve metabolism. Though it's not a magic fix, combine it with a balanced diet and movement for best results. Did you know aloe vera is great for your teeth and gums too? Its antibacterial properties help fight plaque and soothe gum inflammation. You can even find aloe-based tooth gels or make your own gentle mouth rinse by mixing aloe with a bit of water and mint. It's a natural chemical-free way to keep your mouth fresh and healthy. For centuries, aloe has been used to treat wounds and burns. Its gel speeds up the healing process by improving circulation and preventing infection. You can apply it to cuts, bruises, insect bites, or sore muscles after a workout. The cool sensation relieves the pain and inflammation almost instantly. Aloe is also a natural brightener. Used regularly, it helps fade dark spots, even out your complexion, and give your skin a radiant glow. Because it increases collagen and elasticity, it's one of the best anti-aging secrets in nature's pharmacy. Try mixing aloe gel with honey and lemon for rejuvenating facial mask. Your skin will feel smooth, fresh, and alive. So, to recap, aloe helps your skin glow, your hair grow, your digestion flow, and your body heal. It's nature's gentle green gift, simple, affordable, and incredibly powerful. Just remember, always use pure organic aloe vera. If you're using it internally, make sure it's labeled safe for drinking. Thank you for listening, my friends. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it for healing today.